Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to jump start your Dodge Charger. Okay, so first thing you got to do is open up your driver's side door. Oh wait, you don't because it's in the trunk. Alright, so come over here. Where's your button at? Oh, that's right. There we go. And then the floor lifts up and it has this little hook here. Hooks on there, and then you have your battery here. Positive is in the front, closest to the front of the car. And you can usually see the little plus sign right there. And then your negative is towards the back of the car. And make sure everything's tight, which it is. And then hook up your jumper cables or jump box. So he's got cables in here. If you're going to use this, the yellow would be the red and the black would be the negative. You know, you'd hook up like so. But we're going to use a jump box. So I'm going to use the NOCO Boost Pro jump box. Hook up the red first, and then the negative, the black second. You can see we only got 10.9 volts, so it's definitely a dead battery. Turn the box on. And now if you're jump starting this from another car, you'd hook up all these cables with both cars off. You'd hook up the dead car first, then the live car, then you'd start the other car you're jumping it from, and then you'd start this car. Then you'd turn the other car off after you get this one started and disconnect the cables and stuff like that. But we're using a jump box, so it's a little easier. Alright, go ahead and try that, see if that'll start remotely.
I guess that's all I'm getting, one click.
One click. Alright, let me adjust the cable. Sometimes you gotta move the cables around. Okay, so a little bit different because this one's for a disabled person, so it has a push bar here, so it's going to be a little bit different than your normal, and then we'll hit the push button. Oh yeah, that thing sounds healthy, doesn't it? Alright, there you go. That's how to jump start your Dodge Charger. We'll go ahead and test the alternator here with this jump box. It has 14 volts, so it's just a dead battery issue. And we'll go ahead and turn the box off now and disconnect it.